On today's episode of MotoCheez.
That's what I'm talking about, old son. Big old Bobcat.
There's the big old Bobcat. Let's get to clearing some more land. What do you say? Picked up a grapple down here, because as you can see in the back, I'm going to need it. Old post hole digger. This thing needs a lot of work. It was $100. I don't know. Might have gotten robbed. There's a little hole in a pumpkin. I had my parents pick it up. I think right here somewhere. I'm going to have to clean this all up. Somewhere. Oh, right there is a pinhole. I don't want to spend the money because I'm probably not going to need it much. But it does spin. That's another project. I don't have the third function on this yet. Summit Hydraulics sent me a third function kit to install. I contacted them if they had one for it and told them what I did, and they're going to send me one. For an install video, it puts buttons here to operate the grapple or whatever function you put on the front. Bolts on another set of hoses that follow this down. And I believe it bolts to here with the two fittings. And of course it has a quick disconnect. Put my grapple on and plug in the hydraulics. I guess the mounting plate they're waiting on. Oh, and I did put some hooks on here. I like it. I've been running the hell out of it. It's been holding up really good. I didn't break anything yet except this. Just one. There's my wire unroller I made. Hopefully that works good. Brought the welder down, Jeffro. Thank you. I did buy one of these too, but I think you need a pretty big drill. Can't put that on the end of that post hole digger. The big old Bobcat. I did a little clearing. I'll show you what I did. A little bumpy. Got a palm tree. There's another one there. Got clear around those. Big palms there, boy. Palmettos. big one. They're soft, but man, they're tough. I checked that out. It's like a pile of dirt. There's a hose over there. I'll drive you around to show you. It's almost like someone had something. They cleared here, and there's an old tire. Like maybe they had a camper in here years ago. Show you what I found. You don't want to put your hand in there, boy. And they overfilled the gearbox a little bit. I checked, and it was puking out here. And there's like a couple dirt mounds. And it's like the mixed process stuff. That's not dirt from around here. There's a hole there. There's some drain pipe there. I think someone put like a septic in here or something. That's weird. There's another mound here. It's weird how it's got like different heights. And then an old tire. Old bias ply tire there. I don't know, boys. What do you think it is? Oh, that's a rock. Whoopsie. There's some more rock. Some more rock. Some more rock. My property line's still way over there. No takers on that boat yet. Nobody? Yeah, I think that thing's seen better days. Digging in the ground. Oh yeah. FL3050AA. So my property line, I did have it surveyed. I believe it's here. What are you doing? I'll record while we walk. See where the tractor is. I think that tree is about the line. But I could see that other guy, his property line is where the property line comes back to the other one. So it's, I think I'm not going on enough of an angle. Yeah, that guy should be the property line. I guess we could walk to the road because I made a road all the way through. The only way I could do it is I gotta get a couple people. Look at the... Yeah, I hit one over here too with the thing. It was like bang. I was like, whoops.
Better not break that.
Yeah, I know. It's got 3-year warranty. Look at palm tree. I tried clearing around it as good as I can.
The pine needles all up under it even. Look at it.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
I can't even breathe. It's bolted.
Yeah, I gotta come back. And I went up and down with the bucket trying to break these off because they were sticking out further.
It's a redhead.
See, there's another baby one right there.
Huh. Now this, if it grows tall enough, will be like the ones you see at the, that they plant purposely at the car dealerships and stuff.
I don't know if that will. I think those only grow like 20 feet.
There's something there.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is either.
Well, you have to put it on your video and all your experts. You know, last time we talked about different types of palm trees.
But like, look at this. It's like someone made these piles of dirt. And this is stuff you buy that's processed. And then there's a hose right there. This was an open area.
They probably had an RV in here.
They had to have. This here was like an open area. And then that I cut over. It's a pricker. What'd you do? Good thing I'm recording. See, there's the stake right there. Yeah, that's abandoned, huh? And he's got a straight line, like right there. Boink. And then that goes all the way to the other road. See, we own from one road to the other. I'm not opening to the road yet, but you know what I mean? I don't want any excuse to go in there. There's got to be a marker here somewhere. Usually it's like where the pole is, but he didn't mark it. Which is kind of weird. Well, no, there's 3 acres on this side, so that should have a 2-acre marker. Maybe I missed it. There's the old one. It looked like another palm tree in there. That should be the 2-acre marker where that pole is, and he didn't put a marker. I'm gonna have to send him an email.
What's that? That's nice and straight in.
Oh, yeah, we can go in there, I guess. This is some kind of animal trail, huh?
And garbage.
Of course. Yeah, my mom said there was a clearing there, and then I think over here it was a little clearing too. A telephone pole should be the mark, but there is none. Oh, look, there's a little palm tree there too.
Well, some of these other ones might be something if they weren't so thick.
I saw a pot or something on the other trail when I was on a tractor.
Pot? Like marijuana?
No. A pot.
Okay.
You going back this way? You don't want to ride on my tractor? I'll let you drive it. You don't want to drive the tractor? Oh. Yeah. That's not good. Sorry, Bobcat. Something got jammed up under there. Well, that's what I've been doing. No I noticed, if you leave the clutch out, if that don't go in, just hit the hydrostatic pedal. Put her back in two-wheel drive. Had it surveyed, but I gotta get some poles, long poles, and a couple people to help. Camera's holding up good. Big old Bobcat. Dirty Bobcat. Time to eat.
Big old Bobcat.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.